We all crave an AI agent that truly understands our needs, adapts to our unique personalities, and enhances our works and lives in meaningful ways. With myPDA, your needs are met and your privacy stays protected. Let's jump right in. First, enter the screen and select the username and password fields. After logging in, you'll notice that the interface is primarily a chat-based chat interface. In the top left corner of the screen, we can select different models and skills. In the top right corner, you can perform related operations on the interface. For example, switching between light and dark modes, language switching, and inputting system prompts. Next, we see the left side of the screen. We can click items in the sidebar. It lists previous conversation records and workspace operation items. Clicking the second sidebar shows a list of myPDA skills. Clicking on each item in the list corresponds to a configuration. This allows users to directly interact with models or experience skills. Now let's introduce workspace-related operations and descriptions. First, click on the workspace. You can see two items listed, knowledge base and prompt library. Let's start by introducing the creation of a knowledge base. Click the plus sign on the right. You can create your own personalized knowledge base. First, we can create a test knowledge base. Write a description related to the test. It is recommended that users set it to private for personal use. Create personalized knowledge. After clicking Create, you'll see a file upload area on the right. Click Add Content. You'll see options to upload files, directories, or even text content. You can upload files like PDFs, PPTs, Word docs, Excel sheets, and TXT files. We've already uploaded a PDF document. The system is now processing it, and during this process, a vector database will be created. You can click on Results to see the extracted text from the PDF. From there, you can also perform related fine-tuning operations. If the user uploads unsupported file types, the system will notify that the file type is not allowed. Once complete, we can return to the knowledge base. You'll see that a test knowledge base has been successfully created, and you can perform related operations such as deletion. Next, let's introduce the creation of the prompt library. Click on the prompt library. You'll see a plus sign on the right. You can create your own prompts. The creation of prompts allows users to create personalized, frequently used prompts. This facilitates quick input in the future. Later, we might need to use memory specification comparisons. We might have to input lengthy prompts. For example, this section. To simplify input, we can take frequently used parts and create them as part of the prompt library and assign it a title. After that, you can quickly input using shortcuts. Our system supports both English and Chinese versions. For this demo, we'll focus on the Compare Memory command. Click on Access Permissions on the right. You can select Private to create personalized prompts. Once completed, click Save and Create. This completes the creation of the prompt. Next, we can use more options. For example, copying, exporting, or even deleting. You can also edit them again. We can also visit the myLLM community online forum. Explore more prompts there. Return to the interface. Next, we can start using our own prompts and knowledge base. Then we create a new conversation. This lets us use the prompts or knowledge base we just created. Click on New Conversation. You'll see that we've returned to the chat interface. In the top left corner, you can choose different models or skills. In the bottom right corner, there are related operation instructions. For example, keyboard shortcuts. You'll see we can use certain symbols to quickly select commands or files. For example, using the comment sign allows us to attach files. Using slash lets us use the prompts we just created. It helps us quickly autocomplete. Using the @ sign, we can choose different models or skills. Next, let's proceed with a demonstration. Click on the input box, type the /. For example, you can select one of the prompts we created earlier. Once selected, it will automatically complete into the intended message. You can then click Send Message on the right or press Enter to send it. This will prompt the model or skill to respond accordingly. You'll see that the model responds to our question appropriately. If you encounter any issues with the operations or have topics that require further discussion, you can visit the myLLM forum. The forum offers a wealth of technical explanations and serves as a platform for collaboration.